it's Victoria. Welcome back to my channel. Guess what we finally got in the mail? I'm so excited about this. Also note that this turned out to be way smaller than I thought it was. It's actually like smaller than my phone even, which is a little bit mind-blowing. This is the Too Faced chocolate chip palette. Oh my goodness. It is itty bitty. It looks like almost the size of, I can't even, like, I don't know, my last flip phone when I was in like middle school. But positive vibes is that this would be the most perfect travel palette. So when I got it out of the package, I was just kind of giggling because it's just like a cute little mini thing. The fact that it's small is not a negative. The shades are absolutely stunning. And of course, it smells like chocolate. Ah, it smells so good. I am so in love with this. I did already swatch it. Check that out. The shades are so gorgeous. Like, look at this one's kind of like a purpley, but even just that color is so beautiful. So looking forward to testing these on. So these are completely all mattes. So we're gonna do a completely all matte look. I have a nude lip on. I do have a live today, but it's gonna be a very neutral, complete difference from my live yesterday where I did complete like red makeup everywhere. I love how it has this massive mirror. Got it. This was really hard to get off, but that is the most satisfying feeling. I'm gonna zoom you in so you can see everything that I'm doing, and let's do a pretty neutral look with this beautiful palette. Super ultra zoomed in. I'm gonna dip into this beautiful white shade, Matte Champagne Truffle. It does have a little bit of fallout, but I'm not mad. It smells so good. I'm gonna do that just like everywhere basically, just to kind of really set the lid. Feels like buttery. It's so nice. I'm gonna take the best transition shade that I see in here, Creme Brulee. Ooh, that's making me hungry. So buttery. Even just swirling the brush into the pan it just feels so nice. This is going to be my forever travel palette. Oh my goodness. Wow. Wow. That is stunning. I know it's just a light brown. You guys are probably like, yeah, it's brown, good job. But no, it is so pretty and just, oh my gosh. It feels so good. It feels so nice. Just gonna deepen the crease with the hazelnut. That went a long way too. I think I definitely grabbed way too much. Before we move on, I wanna take the brush we used in the beginning and I just need to blend this out more. Next up, I want to do the outer corner. Do I dare? Ooh, let's dip into Triple Fudge. The lightest amount I can though, because these are pigmented. That shade I think is a little hard to blend. It does look patchy just a bit. So I'm using the brush that I used for the shade that we used to darken the crease, and I'm just blending out the dark. This is turning into a super smoky look, isn't it? I do not like this brush at all. This one's from Urban Decay. Wow, you guys, this has turned into such a smoky look. I honestly really love it. Except for that dark shade. I've been working on this for so long and it just does not want to blend. I've tried tons of different brushes. It just really doesn't want to go. I'm really disappointed about that. Oh my goodness. I can't. We are moving on from that shade before anything else starts going horribly wrong. So let me take a skinny brush and go in with, not truffle, because we don't like truffle. Let's go in with Champagne Truffle and do a little bit of under eye action. And then I'm gonna take this fluffy brush from Morphe and blend that out. What I want to do next to kind of help fix this inner eye situation a little bit, I want to take this like pretty yellowy shade right there, and that's called White Chocolate, so that's cute. We're going to place that on the eye, the inner corner, and work it inward. Truffles and white chocolate are supposed to like each other. I'm actually really happy with this, but I know my face was like, but I'm actually pretty happy with this. The next thing I want to do is take a little bit of the shade we started off with first. Champagne truffle, lots of truffles going on. And I want to place that in the inner corner. I am now going to go apply some eyeliner and some mascara. So the lashes are redeeming us today because my lashes, I feel like, look bomb. So I'm really excited about that. Man, that shade. Why? It really ruined the whole look. I am so disappointed. Triple Fudge was impossible to blend. I tried like literally 4 different brushes. And what I ended up doing at the end was just taking a flat brush and packing on the color and then blending it, because for some reason going in with like a blending brush straight up just didn't do it, even though it works every other time I do it. But for that one shade, it didn't seem to like it. Honestly, I'm really excited to try this again, but without that shade. And you know what? Actually, no, I want to use that shade again, and I want to master that shade. Olive green tone, I feel like is going to be really beautiful, so I want to play around with that. I want to play around with the purple, so I definitely will be testing this out again and then giving my final thoughts. After that, I don't want to give up on this because all the other shades were really beautiful. It was just that one, just Triple Fudge. I'm excited to give this another shot, so be looking for some VFL cam footage of my other looks that I'm going to try and do with this. I wanted to disrupt that video for just a second. We were going for all neutrals with this look, so it took everything in me not to put a little glitter on top. But seriously, if I just could have put, even today, if I could have just put a little bit of glitter just like right there, I would have loved that so much more even. But I still like today's look with all the mattes. Dark shades are extremely hard to blend. I did use it today as well. I really love this look and how it turned out today. But just a note with the darker shades, even though like the olive, the brown, and I think there was the purple one, maybe that was a darker shade in there too. Start off with a very small amount. I started off with a small amount in the outer corner and kind of just slowly blended that out. Used a little bit and just built it up. They're just a type of shadow that needs to be built up instead of just go like wham bam. So just be careful of that. All the other shades though I love, and they all still have a really nice buttery feel, but the darker ones for some reason just are really difficult to blend. I still love it as a nice travel palette. It's going with me everywhere. Just a little tip, if you're really struggling to blend those out, just go slow and just really take your time. Again, I still really love this. It smells so good and they feel like butter. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this and got a kick out of it. I hope you like semi-liked the final look. I definitely semi-liked the final look. I still feel pretty, so that is the goal of makeup, is to make yourself like feel confident, have fun with it, just enjoy it, have a little bit of you time. I think this definitely will be like a good travel palette. Yeah, this one's definitely coming along with me in my travel bag. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell if you did like watching this. I post new videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, so I hope to see you back again very soon. Mwah.